Hi YouTube, it's me again. Just want to show you drawing some arcs from a microwave oven transformer. And reverse. So basically let's turn on power. Just a sec. Okay. Thumbs up. Down. Left it up there. Okay. Video thingy section about how it's built up. That's just a standard MOT. There's a choke which I use. That's the broken electrode. That's the other electrode from my high voltage test staff. Just gonna discharge it. Okay. And that's hooked up to the power, and I got a switch there. So.